Guys, have you tried clay pot at Dai Pai Dong? If you haven't, then this is a time to try it. Oh my God, kabalo ba mo nga na sila sa Vivo Place? Iyang place, iyang ambience, oh my God, it's so cute ha? In fairness, nindot jud siya. So I ordered their iconic clay pot rice. Yes guys, lamian jud ko sa ilahang clay pot. The sizzling aroma, the taste, oh my God, the best. So I ordered pork spare ribs combination o ilahang bago Laura Fan clay pot. We also had egg waffle and ubi pao. First time I tried this, taganahan jud ko kaayo mo nang ako jung gipatry ako ang brother. O wa jud ko masayop, naganahan jud siya. Ganahan jud ko ani niya kay grabe jud siya kainit and grabe ka satisfying gud iyang kalami. Best jud siya kaonon sa pot and be careful lang mo kay init siya so kailangan gid ninyong huyupon. This is one of the food na favorite gid nako diri ah. They also offers dim sum and some desserts. This ubi pao and egg waffle is so good ha.
So good.
Sa tinud-anay lang, nag-order ko og 3 clay pot kay ganahan ko mo try sa lahang Laura Fan clay pot. Ko ang personal favorite kay lahang combination and spare ribs. Uniakan agad ninyo ang golden crust. Maura to!